Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. This is a YouTube channel about healing ourselves with the help of knowledge based on astrology. And when we are talking about healing, meditation, inspiration and transformation are very important factors. We revisit the things happened in the past and we analyze them, we try to seek support and we try to give some closure. This is a process of healing. It gives you hope, it gives you support, it gives you something to look forward to. Healing connects past and present and it makes you hopeful towards the future. In this video, we are going to address how to find meditation for every sign. Welcome back to Astro Jyoti Healing. If you are a Virgo moon, you always like to serve the best, the leaders, the politicians, the entertainment celebrities are known figures. When you serve them, when you analyze their work or when you work for them, it gives you relaxation. And you dream about this. You dream about serving the celebrities. You dream about serving the known people. So if you go for walks, if you go for any tours and travels, if you go for maybe movies, you would always feel relaxed if you know someone there. If you are with someone who is known in the community, you are always relaxed. If you are Libra moon, you feel relaxed when people serve you, when people communicate with you regarding your establishments, when they tell you the relationships that you have are the best. If you are Scorpio moon, you always feel relaxed when you see harmony. Even though Scorpio is known as pretty aggressive sign, or it is a sign where people can get angry, they always feel relaxed when they see harmony, when they see balanced relationships, when they see great teamwork, and when they dream about harmony, peace. Scorpio people are at ease, they are very relaxed. The thought of making sure that everybody is at ease gives them power and makes them relaxed. If you are Sagittarius moon, you will always feel relaxed when you help someone via teaching, via consulting or counseling to achieve their goals. Sagittarius people are great managers. So anything they dream about is being the kingmaker. When they help others, when they teach others, when they train others and those people achieve great heights, these people feel very relaxed. And Sagittarius people dream about being in the known position, in the management position or a coaching position about celebrities. They would like to coach somebody special and then they feel very relaxed. If you have Capricorn moon, then you would feel always relaxed when you know somebody else is doing the management duties and you can rise higher. You always dream about delegating your work to somebody and then living peacefully. You don't like those responsibilities, but responsibilities are a part of your life, and hence when you find somebody sharing the burden, you feel relaxed. If you have Aquarius moon, you feel always relaxed when you have a great circle of friends, whether it is on the social media or whether it is in person. When people tell you, your friends tell you, they value you, it is a great relaxation for you. When they give you high status, it is a great relaxation for you. You always dream about achieving that great status among your network circles. Whether it could be via great earnings or by any means. You would like to be known figure in your network circles. and then you feel very relaxed. For Pisces moon, being surrounded by people with various talents will always make you relaxed. When you create those connections and you dream about creating such connections and making sure that you can boast about I have great network circles, that always relaxes your mind. Obviously water, all the water signs like Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, being near water, watching water flows, watching waterfalls is a very relaxing thing. Any form of meditation you can do, but do with these imageries or these thoughts in mind, dreaming about such things, and you will always find higher results of that meditation. Sometimes meditation is about attaching your mind, focusing on your mind on certain things. For sometimes you can do the same meditation with detaching your mind from those goals, but the goals will be the ones that I described in this video. So either you can attach your mind to them, dream about them, or you just make sure and tell your mind, okay, you have established all those things and you can relax. Hope this helps to figure out what kind of inspiration will be there for you, depending on the aspects and the planet conjunctions of that 12th house in the horoscope, or the 12th sign from your moon will decide the outcome for individual. If you want to know more about what can be inspiring for you, please send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Please like this video, comment if you have any specific experience in this area, and please subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you. Namaste. Shubham Bhavatu.